Mohammad Siraj could be an idol, but it is not easy to become Mohammad Siraj. Let me be honest over here. It is not easy to become M.S.K. Prasad. It is not easy to become Mr. Rahman or Shahabuddin. No one knows the amount of sacrifices they must have done to achieve what they have achieved in their life. I don't know how many sleepless nights, how many pains, how many emotional letdowns. Despite that, wearing that white dress and coming out and performing is a great testament to their mindset, to their stubbornness, and I hope that whatever is being done over here, I'm sure this country will, after this great country of ours, will find great fast bowlers who will perform and bring laurels to our country. And I'm very happy that if you have a clear objective in your mind and you're willing to sacrifice to achieve that to achieve that goal through your hard work and sincerity, I feel that it is possible. So one is that you have to dream. Secondly, you have to have focused mind, and thirdly and lastly, you have to overcome the pain barrier, come what may. This is what I have learned in politics, and this is what I continue to learn in my profession. This is what I continue to strive day in, day out. There are times when we don't win elections, but that that lasts only for one night, and next day is a new morning for you. So all of us, I'm sure that the young boys over here, by the mentoring of Mr. M.S.K. Prasad, I'm sure that what mistakes you had done in your young life, these boys will not do that mistakes. And so I think a very good commitment that his organization will ensure that they'll be helping the International Academy of M.S.K. Prasad. And I'm happy to know that Mr. Satya Prasad is also here. Thank you, sir, for coming to this part of our Hyderabad, which sometimes is being ignored, but this is the real Hyderabad, sir. This is the heart of Hyderabad. Other areas are not Hyderabad, but newly built areas. So in that also I'm very biased in that. Mujib Bhai is here. Mujib Bhai, I know him for a very, very long time, and he's a very committed officer. And what can I say about Siraj? Coming from nowhere, struggling, and achieving what you